Production.
Yo, what's poppin'? Happy Sunday. So I made a little Twitter thread. I'm going to put it in the description below. It's 5 altcoins that I believe have 2 to 5x opportunity in the next year and a bit. So we're going to start off with Litecoin. I'm going to make an individual video of each one. And let's get into it here. So what I like the most about Litecoin, we're seeing a major bear market here, right? We cannot seem to make any higher highs or higher lows in a long time. So this has been downtrending. It's been downtrending since May 2021, creating lower highs and lower lows along the way. Now, what happened from May 2022 up until December 2022 is we were creating a base in this 71 to like $48 zone, right? Let's say $48 to $70 zone, right? We create this base. Now, this is an equilibrium trend. Now, why this is equilibrium is because it's going sideways and it's not creating higher highs. It's not creating lower lows. It's just going sideways for a long duration of time, okay? Now, these equilibrium trends tend to happen in 2 different areas. Distribution zones, where people tend to sell and take profits, or accumulation zones, where people tend to accumulate shares with the idea that a bull run could be coming, right? So I'm going to label this here as an accumulation zone, because when I'm thinking about the market in terms of a sentiment perspective, everybody seems to be bearish now. Everyone seems to be fearful of the markets, right? Nobody really wants to look into crypto. It's a scam. These are the opportunities when the mass, the herd of the people are too scared to invest. That's when big money institutions and investors that are in the know want to accumulate and get in. So from the technical analysis that I've been seeing here, it looks like from May 2022 up until pretty much December 22, so that's around like 7-8 months, we've been seeing this accumulation zone developed. And now what I like to see happening is that we're starting to break out. And while we're breaking out of this accumulation zone, we're creating higher highs and higher lows and another higher high here. Okay. So what this could be hinting to us is that a new uptrend is forming, right? So that is something great to see after you see a downtrend, accumulation, and now potential uptrend is forming. So another thing I really like about Litecoin right now is that we're sitting at around $99, $100 resistance, right? It's going to take time for this, like it was previously support, now it's going to act as resistance. It's going to take potentially some time for us to break this level. So what I'm looking for in Litecoin is we want to see another higher low get developed in this zone here, right? It might take a few weeks, a few months to develop a base to get that breakout towards the 130 area, right? So this is what I'm kind of looking at in terms of a technical perspective on Litecoin, and it's shaping up to be a fairly interesting altcoin to be paying attention to. So that's the breakdown here on Litecoin. Easy.